Hi my food lovers, welcome back to another recipe. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these simple baked chips. Let's get baking. Into a bowl we are going to go in with some sifted flour. This is pastry flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well. Go in with that and then we'll add some salt to also taste. We are going to bring everything to a good mix and then we create a well and go in with our margarine. You can use margarine or butter in this video, but I am using margarine here. So you want to put this in it and then with your hands, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure you've washed them very well. Go in with that and then you bring everything to a good mix. We are mixing everything until we do not see any white flour. We want everything to be coated with the margarine or butter, and this is exactly how to go about it. In case you're unable to use one hand to do this, you can just go in with two hands and then rub it against each other, each palm, and you'll be able to get the perfect consistency. This is perfect. So with this we are just going to create a well and then you go in with some blended onions and then garlic. This is going to add some flavor to your chips. So just add that and go in with some cold milk or cold water. You can use milk or water and that is okay. Add the water bit by bit until you are able to achieve a really good texture, just as you see here. Do not need it, just this is perfect. You can cut it into smaller pieces, transfer them onto your work surface and make sure you fry your work surface just in case so that your crust do not get stick onto your work surface. So roll it out like this, not too thin, not too thick. This is perfect. So with our knife we are going to cut the edges so that we get a straight edge just like this, and we are taking the excess off, and with our crinkle cutter we are just going to go in and give it that nice zigzag design just as you see here. This crinkle cutter is perfect to give you the beautiful design you saw previously. So just cut until you exhaust everything. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly take a moment to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on any video we post in the future. Over here we post videos every single week. Simple recipes that will help you in your homes, that you can serve your friends and loved ones with. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Do well to share this video and like. Now you transfer this onto your baking pan and you have to cover the baking pan with a baking paper or parchment paper. Also, if you do not have that, you can just grease that with some margarine and top it up with some flour and transfer everything onto it. Transfer this into your oven and bake this. And you can see right here that we have baked our chips and it came out beautifully well. You can see right here it's golden and it's crispy as well. If you want to get all the details on how to make this, then do well to click on the description and then check every single details you need there. Everything will be listed there, right from measurements and also to some tips to help you achieve the best. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and bye.